Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, gold definitely has continued down pretty nice, and on a little bit of a shorter time frame, I think this was definitely a three-way pullback today. I thought perhaps it was going to make a bounce right here and go up inside of wave B, but it didn't. Instead, it went down and took out this low right here, which honestly, most wave A's or wave ones do take out the previous structure, so it makes a lot of sense that it did go down and take out that low right there. Now that it's done that requirement, I would potentially be looking for either a double bottom and a break of structure like that, or potentially I'd be looking for a significant higher low, maybe something like this, except for a little bit of a higher low. And if that happens, then most likely the AO1 is over, and most likely the next move up would be either a wave B or a wave 2. Throw your Fibonacci retracement on this move down, look for a corrective pattern up to a fib level to potentially go short again, and maybe even look for some longs on shorter time frames while it happens. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.